This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Do you feel like your Audi is using more fuel than it should, even when you're not driving aggressively? Are you doing everything right but still seeing your fuel drop faster than expected? What if the real problem is something you do every single day, without even noticing it? Because today we're going to expose one of the most common mistakes that silently destroys your fuel efficiency, and once you see it, you won't be able to ignore it anymore. Modern Audi vehicles are designed to be efficient. The engines, the transmission, the electronics, everything works together to reduce fuel consumption when driven correctly. But here's the real problem. Most drivers don't use the car correctly, and one specific behavior is responsible for a huge amount of wasted fuel. Now just imagine this. You're driving normally, you press the accelerator, then release it, then press it again. Small movements, nothing extreme. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every time you press the pedal, your engine injects fuel. And when you do this repeatedly, even lightly, your car keeps restarting fuel cycles. That constant fluctuation wastes fuel. This is called throttle instability, and it's one of the most overlooked reasons your Audi consumes more than it should, because it feels perfectly normal. But the truth is, it is not efficient. Before we go deeper, if you want to stop wasting fuel, unlock hidden Audi features, and improve your driving efficiency, make sure to subscribe. It's free, and it helps you stay ahead of what most drivers never learn. Now here's the key idea. Your Audi rewards smooth input. The more stable your throttle, the less fuel it needs to compensate. And in the next part, we're going to fix this step by step, so you can start saving fuel immediately. Now let's activate and use the MMI system correctly, so it actually helps you save fuel in real driving conditions. Because knowing it exists is not enough. You need to use it the right way. Start by accessing the main menu. Go to Car, then Driving Data, then Efficiency Program. Depending on your Audi model, the name might be slightly different, but the logic is always the same. Once inside, you will see multiple sections: real-time consumption, average consumption, range. But the most important one is the efficiency display. This is where the system becomes useful. While you drive, your Audi starts analyzing your behavior in real time, and it gives you subtle suggestions. For example, lift your foot off the accelerator, maintain speed, avoid unnecessary acceleration. These suggestions are not random. They are based on road conditions, speed, and your driving style. Now here is the key mistake most drivers make. They ignore the suggestions, or they react too late. And that makes the system useless. To use it correctly, you need to change one thing: anticipation. Instead of reacting when the car tells you, start looking ahead. If you see traffic slowing down, release the accelerator early. If you approach a curve, don't accelerate into it. If the road is clear, maintain a steady speed instead of constantly adjusting. This works together with the MMI system, because the more you anticipate, the more accurate and useful the feedback becomes. Now add one more step: reset your driving data. This allows you to see real improvement over time. Start a new session, drive consciously, follow the suggestions, and monitor how your consumption changes. This creates a feedback loop. You adjust your driving, the car responds, you see better results, and you naturally improve without effort. And in the next part, we're going to unlock one more hidden trick inside the MMI that most Audi drivers never use, but can make your fuel savings even more consistent over time.
What if your Audi already has a built-in system designed to help you save fuel, and you're not using it? What if the screen you interact with every day is not just for navigation or music, but actually one of the most powerful tools for improving fuel efficiency? And what if activating just one feature inside that system could immediately change how your car consumes fuel? Because today, we're going to reveal something most Audi drivers completely ignore: the MMI system. Most people think the MMI is just an infotainment system. Navigation, media, phone calls, useful, yes, but limited. That's what most drivers believe. But the reality is very different. Behind that screen, your Audi is constantly analyzing your driving behavior in real time. It monitors acceleration, speed, fuel consumption, driving patterns, and even how efficiently you respond to road conditions. And more importantly, it gives you feedback, but only if you know where to find it. Inside the MMI, there is a dedicated section focused entirely on efficiency and consumption. Depending on your Audi model, it might appear under Efficiency Program, Driving Data, or Consumption Stats. These are not just numbers. They are a real-time map of how your driving style is affecting fuel consumption. Here's the problem. Most drivers never open this section, and even if they do, they look at it once and forget about it. They don't understand what it's actually telling them, and because of that, they miss one of the easiest ways to reduce fuel consumption without changing anything on the car. Before we go deeper, if you want to unlock hidden Audi features, improve performance, and save fuel without going to a mechanic, make sure to subscribe. It's free, and it helps you stay ahead of what most drivers never discover. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your Audi is already teaching you how to drive more efficiently. Inside the MMI, you can access real-time fuel consumption, average fuel consumption, and estimated range. But there is one feature that changes everything: the Efficiency Feedback System. This system analyzes your driving in real time and suggests small adjustments that make a huge difference over time. It tells you when to release the accelerator, when to let the car coast, when to avoid unnecessary acceleration, and when to maintain a steady speed. This is not random advice. It's calculated based on your behavior and the road conditions you're currently driving in, which means it's personalized to you. Now imagine this. You start following these suggestions consistently. You stop reacting late. You anticipate better. You drive smoother. And without even trying harder, your fuel consumption starts going down. And the most powerful part is this: you didn't change your car, no tools, no upgrades, no mechanic. Just smarter use of what your Audi already gives you. And in the next part, we're going to activate this system step by step and show you exactly how to use it.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.